I'm Mike Caudill, brand ambassador for Go RVing. Of all the holidays I get to spend with my family and friends, there's one that's just for my wife Flora and me. What holiday is it? It's Valentine's Day.
Every year I make her a beautiful meal, something really special. Last year it was wild salmon on a wood plank. And the year before, that's right, wild salmon on a wood plank. And the year before that. Turns out I didn't realize I was cooking her the exact same meal for Valentine's Day year after year, so I guess it's our annual tradition.
This year, I'm changing things up by adding in a new tradition to our celebration. I'm actually taking Flora away to one of our favorite destinations, which is this right here, Campgrounds of America, the Getaway Resort in Nashville, where you can't actually play the big guitar.
Because Valentine's Day is on a weekday this year and we have kids going to school and other activities, I'm surprising her with an overnight trip close to home where I'll have everything set up in the RV and at the campground ahead of time.
And not only is this going to be a fun surprise for my wife, but it's also going to be affordable.
An overnight Valentine's Day getaway at a local hotel with dinner would likely cost well over $500.
As a family, we normally travel in our Winnebago Forza, but for this romantic getaway, I wanted to select something smaller, this right here. It's the Intech Terra, and I rented it at Bankston RV.
If you don't have your own RV yet or want to try something different, you can find one to rent from a local dealer or a peer-to-peer rental agency at GoRVing.com under Get Started.
So once you've picked out that perfect RV spot for your overnight adventure, start thinking about planning your recipe for dinner. But don't forget, keep the ingredients simple, and that next morning, you want to make sure you have an amazing breakfast as well. And Flora will be so surprised this year because I'm not cooking salmon. I'm actually making chicken cacciatore, and it's a favorite one-dish meal that makes for easy prep, cooking time, and cleanup as well.
I seared the chicken the night before, chopped the vegetables, and made sure I've got everything I need for a beautiful table setting too. As a side note, I love these eco-conscious storage bags that are great for saving space in the RV and good for the environment.
I put all my ingredients into my Dutch oven. It's great to have a plan B in place whether you want to cook indoors or outdoors over the fire. And for dessert, I'm actually going to use our air fryer. I'm going to make a peach cobbler, and then I'm going to double up on it and use it again tomorrow morning to make a frittata for breakfast.
Pack everything you need in coolers the night before. If your plan is to be at the campground, you'll likely have hookups. If you're boondocking, be sure to bring everything you need to cook on the grill or over the campfire. Now all that's left is to set up the campsite and do all the prep you can before the big day. Don't overlook the ambiance. Hang up some string lights, strategically place a few safe flameless candles, pull together a romantic playlist on your phone, and of course, remember the flowers.
Thanks for watching our video. If you want more tips, go to GoRVing.com and make sure you're following us on Facebook and Instagram.